I want to show you guys another great example of the variety of masquerades that are performed in Africa. This is a beautiful mask from the Bamana people of Mali, and you're seeing the wooden carving aspect of the mask. It actually sits atop a wearer's head. It is quite abstract, quite beautiful. Apparently the shapes that we are seeing, and I'm going to show you maskers with their full costume on, are reminiscent both of antelope and also anteater, both creatures which have symbolic associations to good qualities, the antelope being graceful and strong, and the anteater being determined and conscientious, associated basically with the values of farming. It represents this particular spirit they believe in, a kind spirit called the Chiwara spirit, a kind spirit that comes from the bush and brings agriculture to the people. In this case, as you're seeing this detailed picture, these young boys, these athletic young boys would don these amazing headdresses and full mask costumes, and they would be imitating the graceful movements of the antelope to invoke the favor of fertility spirits and basically to instruct society in correct agricultural practices. If you notice, particularly in this detail, there's like a male kind of antelope, very abstracted. I hope you guys can see it, sort of four-legged, very elegant animal creature. And then like a female with a little baby on her back. And this idea of union of male and female, of sun and earth in agriculture is of course a wonderful symbol of fertility. The raffia fringes, the raffia, it not only conceals the face, but it signifies water, and it evokes the look, sound, and smell of like the bush. And I'm sure you guys can all imagine, if you've ever sort of experienced raffia, it's this kind of soft, earthy, plant-like, fibrous material that would definitely flow like fringe, literally, as these dancers would move in these elegant ways. I want to show you also, just in general, how much clothing has an impact on the image in particular of, say, kingship. We've already looked at a lot of elements of the regalia, the crown and the staff and the stool or the throne. But how can you not look at this picture and identify the most important person in this room, right? Everything about the elaborateness and the beading just really shows us how much of an authority, how much of a leader, how important this person is. And that's a big theme, of course, in the regalia of kingship.